What's up everyone, it's Christopher Rios Vlogs and here we are again with another video. Actually my first video on YouTube. Right now we're on the dirt bike and we're gonna get started. First kick is always good. So first kick is always good. Now let's go take it to the Alright, just rolling out. It's kind of wet. So right now we're at the Honda dealership, and I'm gonna go check out how much the dirtbikes cost. Maybe come out with a new one. So here we go. So here we go. Oh, these. Not much. Just looking around the room. Use the 125. Thank you. So that's actually the price. That's pretty expensive for just a Honda. I wouldn't pay there. I wouldn't recommend shopping here for a dirt bike. So yeah. But that's gonna end up today's vlog. Tomorrow I'll be with another vlog, and I'm gonna start doing dailies. But my phone's about to die. So yep. Bye. So right here's a little review on the dirt bike. So right here you got your switch, and here's the gas tank. So usually on these dirt bikes, you have a electric start and a kick, but this one just has a kick on it. And this is a 125 old Yamaha. As you can tell, it got spray painted. And right now I'm just kind of cruising around. So actually, the other day when I was riding, my muffler kind of blew. So that's always fun. So now you can hear how loud it is. Alright, so right there I was actually going about usually when I ride, whenever I ride, I go about like 20. But then when I go on the track, I go faster. And if I want to, I just go. I give it all. I never follow that rule. Who does around here though? Alright, so this is pretty much it right here for the video, but before I end the video, I'd like to give you guys a little review. So, as I was trying to say, I don't know if you couldn't hear me, maybe it was too loud, but right here's your kick. So right here's your little kick. Oh, that was a fail. I actually forgot that it was in gear. Alright, so I don't know if you guys know or not, but right here's your kick, right here's your clutch, right here's your shifter. So this is a 125 Yamaha. And yeah, it's actually a pretty nice bike. I like it, but it just got spray painted, so here's the front end. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys all, and this is just gonna be my first video, so I hope y'all can go spread love and like and comment for more videos. Peace.